Hello everyone, I finally went to Mambo's this weekend just to see what they currently have in store. I'm working on a basement revamp project and I just wanted to see what storage options they have available in store. Oh my word, Mambo's literally has every storage item you can think of, different shapes and sizes. It just depends what you're looking for really. How gorgeous are these organizers? Loving the color as well. Maybe you could have this on top of your cosmetic table, in your bathroom. I love them. Love them. I also bumped into these and these are currently on special. So as much as I'm looking for storage containers, I'm also looking for something cute as well, and this definitely meets that criteria. I also have this collapsible crates in store. I love how you can just easily assemble them when you need them. Good for storage as well. These are currently on special, so you basically get 2 of these for $299, so 110 liters of that. There's also these colorless ones. How cool are these? They've got wheels just to make it easy to move around. There's also those ones. Look at how spacious these are. So they come in different colors and they also have different cartoon characters on the outside. So cute for the kids' bedrooms. You can also use this as a toy box. I love it. They also have chairs, plastic chairs in different colors. They also have an arts and craft section and there's a 50% off sale running. So grab that opportunity. There's also educational toys, puzzles. If there's anything you'd like to get your hands on, Mambo's has a physical and an online store. I'll post the link to the online store in my caption and I cannot wait to show you what I got. Bye!